Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Ayur Yoga Mudra. Now, today I am going to tell you about how to increase your beard growth or mustache or chest hair or body hair with using an Ayurvedic formula. Now, many of the gents or boys they have a problem in growing beard due to our climate change and bad weather, bad water, bad atmosphere. Most of the guys have a problem in growing beard or mustache or chest hair. So today I will tell a simple solution using some Ayurvedic products. This is used in ancient time in Ayurveda to increase the growth of hairs. So before going to tell this, you all know mustache and beard is a representation of masculinity, muscular nature. The handsome beard is every time attracted by girls and it is a symbol of masculinity, manpower. So now, before going to do this process, I will tell one main important thing. First, if you have dandruff in your hair, first you need to remove the dandruff. If you have dandruff, then you need to remove it using lemon juice or curd. You can apply lemon juice or curd in your hair, or you can use the dandruff clear shampoo. And after that, you need to after starting this process you need to use new pillows when you are going to bed. You new pillow and pillow cover we need to use, and also you can need to wash your bed clothes and use the new blood bed clothes, because the dandruff in hair will affect your beard growth also. So first of all you need to do this process before starting the process. Now this Ayurvedic formula, we are using some 4 Ayurvedic herbs for this formula, and we are using a paste and using the oil for this purpose. Now I am going to for the ingredients. Now read carefully. The first ingredient is Bringaraj leaves. We need this in 100 gram. Other name are Eclipta alba. So this is a small flowering plant. So first you need to use these Bringaraj leaves. Don't use the flowers, only use the leaves, and you can get in agricultural paddy fields. This plant is available. If you are in city or you doesn't know this plant, then you can purchase it online or some Ayurvedic shop. They will provide the Bringaraj leaves. The main ingredient of this Ayurvedic oil is Bringaraj leaves. So this is a small flowering plant. You can see the picture, or if you don't know this plant, then you can go to Ayurvedic shop and tell them you need Bringaraj leaves. So you can take the Bringaraj leaves from there, and please be aware that the ingredient ratio is must be correct. We need Bringaraj leaves 100 gram only. So the ratio must be accurate. Don't add more or less. The ratio must be more important. The next thing is black sesame seeds. You are aware of the black sesame seeds because it is available in our area everywhere. So you need to take the black sesame seed, not take a white sesame seed. Must be careful. Take black sesame seed. In seed format, black sesame seed. You must be taken this seed. This also 100 gram. The ratio of this is also 100 gram. Please note the ratio also 100 gram. Next is Eshtimaduka powder. So some of them are not known about this product. So you can also buy this from online or Ayurvedic herb shop directly. So this is Eshtimadu. You can purchase it from Ayurvedic shop. And this is we need it in powdered format. If it dried, if in that wood format we get, then it is more difficult to grind it. So please buy it is in powdered format. The Eshimadu also in powdered form need is 100 gram. So all the ingredients we take it is in 500 gram. Eshimadu also in 500 gram. The next ingredient is amla. Amla also we all know it is a we use it rare repeatedly. Say amla. Amla also we need 100 gram. So these are the 4 ingredients. Now we need sesame oil. The sesame oil we need is 500 ml. So please note this. We need sesame oil is 500 ml. So these are the total ingredients we needed. Now we will be going to start the process of preparation. The step 1 is, first we need to grind the bringaraj leaves well in a paste like format. We need to grind it. If you need, add little water for grind, not add more water, it will change the property. So add less water, then add amla, black sesame seed, HT maduka powder to it, and again grind it well. And now you get like a thick paste like a format I shown in the picture. So it will be like a dried one thick paste, Ayurvedic paste format. You need to add all the ingredients except the sesame oil and mix well, grind it very well properly, and put it in a tumbler. Now heat the sesame oil in now you need to heat the sesame oil. After the oil get hot, then now add the paste. You prepared one paste, Ayurvedic paste. Now add this to the sesame oil, and beware that you need to prepare this in a low flame. After boil it, you need to stir it very well. After putting these ingredients to the sesame oil, you need to stir it very well, otherwise the oil will be like a black color. So you need to stir it well with a spoon or something. And after this finish, then you need to filter this content. When the oil gets cooled, you can use a pure cotton and filtered all the solid particles. Now you get a filtered oil. So now you need to take an airtight bottle and pour all the oils on the airtight bottle and place it, put these oils all on the bottle. And now you can use this oil when you are going to sleep. Before sleep, you need to apply the oil on your parts where you need to grow hair. If you need to increase mustache or beard or chest hair, apply this oil before you are going to bed. So do this at night, and continue this process. You will definitely 100% your hair growth will be started. If you have zero hair on your face, you have no hair on your face or chest, this will increase the hair growth 100%. This is very ancient method to increase the facial hair growth or body hair growth. So don't change the ratios and apply these at night time. These are the things, and remove the dandruff in your hair if you have. Now thanks for watching my channel. If you like my videos, please like my video, please subscribe my channel. I will come with the new videos. Thanks for watching my channel. If you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. I will come with a new video. Thanks for your support. Have a good day. Have a fruitful, enjoyable, great life. Have a healthful life. I wish you everybody have a healthful life. Thanks for watching. Thank you.